Dreaming of perfect port days? In the next 15 seconds, discover the #1 secret smart cruisers over 50 use for stress-free shore excursions. This video reveals 7 essential things you need to know to ensure every port day is perfect, safe, and unforgettable. Welcome back to Cruise Like a True Adventure. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to maximizing your time ashore. For smart cruisers over 50, making the most of those precious hours in port is key to a truly memorable vacation. We're talking about senior-friendly port tips, crucial cruise port advice, and how to turn every stop into an incredible adventure. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser or planning your first voyage, these 7 essential tips will help you navigate new destinations with confidence, comfort, and joy. From safe exploration to smart excursion choices, we'll cover everything you need to know to make your port days absolutely perfect. Let's dive in. Our first and arguably most crucial tip for perfect port days is to research before you go. Don't just step off the ship blindly. A little homework goes a long way, especially for us seasoned travelers. Before you even leave home, take some time to understand the local culture of each port. Are there specific customs or dress codes you should be aware of? What's the local currency and is it widely accepted, or should you plan to use credit cards or exchange some cash? Knowing your transportation options, whether it's reliable taxis, local buses, or even walking distances, can save you time and hassle. Most importantly, check for any safety advisories. Are there areas to avoid? Are petty crimes common? Being informed allows you to make smart decisions and ensures a much more relaxed and enjoyable experience. This proactive approach is a hallmark of a truly smart cruiser. Next up, let's talk about excursion choices. This is where many cruisers, especially those over 50, can make or break their port day. You have 2 main options: ship-sponsored tours or independent exploration. Ship-sponsored excursions offer convenience and peace of mind. They guarantee you'll get back to the ship on time, and they often cater to various activity levels. However, they can be more expensive and sometimes feel rushed. Independent tours, booked through local operators or even just exploring on your own, can offer more flexibility and a deeper dive into the local culture. But here's the key for us: prioritize accessibility and pace. Look for tours that clearly state they are senior-friendly, with less walking, comfortable transportation, and ample time to enjoy each stop. Don't be afraid to ask about stairs, uneven terrain, or long periods of standing. And regardless of your choice, always book in advance, especially for popular tours or if you have specific accessibility needs. This ensures you get the experience you want without last-minute stress. Our third tip is paramount: safety first ashore. While most ports are perfectly safe, it's always wise to be vigilant. Stay aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas like markets or tourist hotspots. Unfortunately, scams can target tourists, so be wary of overly friendly strangers offering unsolicited help or deals that seem too good to be true. Keep your valuables secure. Consider a crossbody bag or a money belt, and avoid flashing expensive jewelry or large amounts of cash. It's also a good idea to carry a copy of your passport and cruise documents, leaving the originals safely on the ship. Before you disembark, make sure you have the ship's all-aboard time, the local port agent's contact information, and a way to reach your travel companions. Having a small printed card with this essential info can be a lifesaver. Being prepared means you can relax and enjoy your day without unnecessary worry. This brings us to tip number 4, smart time management. The golden rule of cruising is to never miss the ship. Always know the all-aboard time, which is usually 30 minutes to an hour before the ship is scheduled to depart. Plan your day with plenty of buffer time. Traffic, unexpected delays, or simply getting lost can happen. It's far better to be back at the pier an hour early, enjoying a local coffee, than to be frantically rushing, or worse, watching your ship sail away without you. If you're on an independent excursion, communicate clearly with your driver or guide about the ship's departure time. And if you're exploring on foot, keep an eye on the clock. A little planning ensures a stress-free return and avoids that dreaded feeling of being left behind. For us cruisers over 50, hydration and comfort are non-negotiable for an enjoyable port day. You'll likely be doing more walking and spending more time outdoors than usual. Always carry a reusable water bottle and stay hydrated, especially in warm climates. Dehydration can quickly zap your energy and enjoyment. Wear comfortable, broken-in walking shoes. This is not the day for brand new footwear. Blisters are no fun. Dress in layers suitable for the weather. And don't forget sun protection. A wide-brimmed hat, sunglasses, and plenty of sunscreen. Being comfortable allows you to fully immerse yourself in the experience without distractions. Your body will thank you. Tip number 6 focuses on local cuisine and water. One of the joys of travel is experiencing new flavors. Don't be afraid to try local foods, but do so safely. Look for busy establishments with high turnover. That's usually a good sign of fresh ingredients. If you have dietary restrictions or allergies, learn a few key phrases in the local language or carry a translation card. And when it comes to water, always err on the side of caution. Stick to bottled water, even for brushing your teeth, unless you are absolutely certain the local tap water is safe for consumption. This simple precaution can prevent an upset stomach from ruining the rest of your cruise. Finally, tip number 7, staying connected. In today's world, this is often a priority, but it doesn't have to be. If you need to stay in touch, consider purchasing a local SIM card for your phone, which can be much cheaper than international roaming charges from your home provider. Check if your phone is unlocked before you go. Alternatively, many cafes and restaurants offer free Wi-Fi, or you could choose to simply enjoy being unplugged. Sometimes the best way to experience a new place is to put the phone away and be fully present. Decide what works best for you and your travel style. There you have it. 7 essential things smart cruisers over 50 need to know for perfect port days. By following these tips, you're guaranteed to have memorable, safe, and stress-free adventures ashore. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your best port day memory or tip? Share it below in the comments. Your insights help our entire community cruise smarter. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Cruise Like a True Adventure, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next episode. Because up next, we'll uncover 3 reasons why smart cruisers walk away from bad deals. You won't want to miss how to save money and avoid common cruise pitfalls. Until then, cruise smart, cruise safe, and happy travels.